And it was just around now that this new form of sonnet was becoming an essential element of courtly life. One might say it was no more than an elevated form of court gossip. The sonnet sprang up in a very refined environment, rife with literary one-upsmanship, wit, and humor steeped in the classics of Greek and Latin literature. Edward lived the lavish life of noblemen and aristocrats. Hunting, falconry, music, poetry, masques, revels, fencing, jousting, royal gossip, writing skits and poems. These pastimes resonate through Shakespeare's works. Yes, here they are out in the woods, dressed in their silks and lace, enjoying gossip in the exclusive, intimate circle of the Queen's court. Learning who was doing what to whom could be valuable. Knowing the right people or certain people could bring riches or a trip to the Tower. This was no secret.